Well, now if that isn't ever a pain in the butt. 10 walnut logs toppled over. Now we gotta clean them all up. I sure am glad that we had this Kubinec strapping on there though. If I didn't have these logs strapped, man, what a pain in the butt. I'd be standing here restacking about 100 slabs. Welcome back to the sawmill, everybody. We had a big storm last week with 65-mile-an-hour winds. Toppled over by a big stack of walnut I got here. 10 logs knocked over onto the ground. I'm really glad that we had them strapped with Kubinec strapping. Otherwise we'd be cleaning up a whole mess of slabs. What a pain in the butt. As you can see, the logs got toppled over from the wind. Yeah, we had a big storm here last week. Had some winds that were 60, 65 miles an hour, and these logs were stacked up probably 5 high or so. Toppled them all over. I'm glad that we had them strapped with Kubinec strapping, because otherwise I'd be restacking 100 slabs or so. What a pain in the butt. Just thought I'd make a quick video showing you guys, or actually reminding everybody, that we use Kubinec strapping to strap our logs back together once we get them slabbed. Helps keep them together, keeps them tight, keeps them straighter, makes it a whole lot easier to move them around, and as you can see in the background, keeps from making a heck of a mess when the windstorms come up and blow the logs over. Doesn't happen very often here. We're usually pretty good about stacking stuff up, but I think that we stacked these ones the wrong direction. The wind was going east-west, and we had them stacked north-south, so the wind was able to catch them and knock them over. None of these ones over here fell. These are stacked east-west, but yeah, these ones all fell over, so now we got to stack them back up. But like I said, I'm super glad that we got this Kubinec strapping holding them together back in a slab pack. That way all we got to do is restack the logs instead of restacking a bunch of individual slabs. What a pain in the butt. As you can see, they all kind of fell. One log down there, one here, one there. There's another one on the bottom over here. What a pain in the butt, but we're gonna get them stacked back up. And yeah, super glad I got that strapping on there. just to make a point here, all of these logs were wrapped with Kubinec strapping and not one of them came apart. When this stack toppled over, not one of the bands let loose, so everything is still banded together. Some of the stickers might need to be adjusted where they got knocked out of place, but at least wise, all the logs are still banded together. Made it really easy to separate everything. Now I can get it organized back up and stacked up. So it's really good that all the slab packs stayed together. Got to give thanks to Kubinec Strapping. This stuff is awesome. I've been using it for a long time. I know you guys have seen my videos with it, and stuff is available on Amazon. Put a link in the bottom of the video down in the description, so you can get on Amazon and get you some if you guys are running a sawmill, cutting a bunch of slabs, and don't want to have a big mess if they fall over. Not only that, it does help to keep them a little bit flatter, as long as you get it on there nice and tight. But now we got to get them stacked back up. It is pretty sweet that that stack fell over, and we don't have a bunch of individual slabs we got to stack back up, just logs. So thumbs up to that. Well, there you go, all stacked back up, nice and neat. Glad we had the Kubinec strapping on those slab packs. That way, once everything did fall over, everything stayed together, so we were able to just flip things over and get them restacked. Just remember, guys, if you're cutting slabs, it's beneficial to you to strap them up. It makes it easier to move them, makes it easier to stack them, makes it so that if your stack falls over, they don't end up falling apart and you have a big mess of slabs to clean up. And just helps keep them flatter. Just works out to be better all around. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed our video. We're super glad to have you tune in to our YouTube channel. We hope that you enjoyed it. We hope you enjoyed this video. Do us a favor, hit that subscribe button. Really helps us out on the YouTube platform. And also hit that bell notification so you can be notified when we post new videos. And guess what? that's it for this one. We'll catch you on the next one.